The Service CU Everyday Starter Credit Card is built for people starting their credit journey and looking for a simple, low-cost way to establish a positive history. It comes with no annual fee, so there's no extra cost just for keeping it open, and there are no foreign transaction fees, a rare perk for a starter card, especially useful if there's occasional international travel. The credit limit is set at $1,000, which helps encourage responsible spending, and there's no hidden APR hike if a payment is late, making it a little less punishing for beginners still getting into the rhythm of credit management. It also includes Visa perks like travel assistance, emergency card replacement, and contactless payment for convenience. That being said, the APR is fixed at 18%, which is on the high side for a beginner card. Carrying a balance will quickly rack up interest, so it's best for those who can pay off what they spend in full every month. The $1,000 limit may also feel restrictive for users who need more spending power, especially for larger purchases, though that limit is part of what makes this card a safer entry point for new borrowers. Overall, this card works well for students, recent grads, or anyone new to credit who wants to build a score without worrying about annual fees or overly complex features. It's simple, predictable, and low risk, provided it's used wisely. The biggest risks come from the high interest rate and low limit, so it's not ideal for carrying balances or making high-cost purchases. This card shines most when it's a stepping stone towards stronger credit and bigger financial opportunities.